Hater?
No, he's a friend of Dewey's, trying to keep him out of jail.
Well, you can ask Dewey yourself when you see him.
Look, he's halfway to Mexico.
I don't know.
Look, what's this? Gas leak. He's got a gas leak. Some gas stations, garage. He did not get far. Dewey Albert, that's who we want.
Little bit. You okay a little bit?
Watch yourselves, watch each other and be ready.
Oh my gosh.
We're done.
Well, he's in there. He's working on it.
You okay? Oh, okay.
Let's take him now. 3 go in with me, 2 go around the back. Marlon, stay here.
No! I think he's been snorting cocaine or something.
What do they say?
Well, they removed the bullets and had surgery, okay?
Really?
Yes. Driving him crazy, you're gonna know tomorrow.
Thank God.
Hey,
It's okay a little
I
bit.
know you installed alarm
It's okay.
back.
Oh, yeah, we first met 2
You
weeks
okay?
after I made detective. He was my 4th partner.
3 partners in 2 weeks?
It's okay.
Well, they were
It's
all
okay.
nice enough guys.
It's okay. It's okay.
We just didn't really click, you know?